no sleep, bus, club, another club, another club, another club, plane, next place.
Hi, it's Freya, and this is my very busy, chaotic weekend vlog. Got the clown shoes, yes, sure.
He came back. Look, I've been dreaming about this since I was a kid.
I'm at the mall right now. Oh my goodness, what store did I just walk into? Dresses for days. Today is Sunday. I am going to church and lunch afterwards with my friend. I got my outfit on. It is so nice out today. Oh, I just got a shock. So I'm in Olive Garden with my friend right now. I had 2 servings of breadsticks and 2 servings of soup. When your mom goes to Costco. Just poured my dog some more food. The chickens are growing, yes sir. I think I just traumatized them. I'm going to a family friend's house with my family for a bonfire. This is the outfit. Apparently we're watching fireworks. The store's about to close and we're getting snacks. Why are you doing that?
Like
it's giving me a seizure. I'm back now. I actually got to light the fireworks and it was so fun. I went to a different mall this time, so I went to different stores. So as you can see, I went to Blue Notes, but I also went to other stores and just put everything in the same bag. First of all, I went to Claire's because I needed something for my grad. Then I went to Blue Notes and there was a buy one t-shirt, get one free. So I got this car shirt, of course. And then I also got this one. It's a colorful graphic Hot Wheels shirt because I love Hot Wheels. And then this was on the tag. This store I've never been to, I don't think, or never heard of. And I got this romper one piece. Then I went to Zoomies and got this colorful t-shirt that's more cropped and has a daisy patched in the middle. And I just absolutely love how the collar and the sleeves are different colors. I really love this color of orange. Another thing I got from Zoomies were these sunglasses, which are actually clout goggles. I just love the checkered print. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you laughed or learned something new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!